What's going on, everyone? Sam here with Layton Sports Cards, ripping one box of 2022 Topps Formula One Racing for Jeff W. It's good luck, Jeff. Let's do it, buddy. Got Barcelona, box topper. These are cool. I like the box toppers in Topps F1. This is a sticky note right here. That'd be actually pretty cool, Kyle. Checkerboard, Clement Novalak. Chia, we don't have it in stock for personals yet. It will be in stock, though. There is Marcus Armstrong. You already have two. I didn't know there was only five, but there would have been more. It's like every time you look at Donnie. Pierre Gasly.
On my list.
Sergio Perez to 150. Nice one there.
And that's not a good list.
No, I know. Who else is on that list?
Oh, there's a ton of them.
People that work here, who's on that list? Let's think.
Everybody's on the list.
Every single person.
Everybody.
Jack Doohan. It's a list you just don't want to be on, for sure.
No.
Fernando Alonso. Lewis Hamilton, checkerboard. Lewis Hamilton, bounce, rock, race, roll. And not for this one. There's Enzo Fittipaldi. It'll take pretty much the same amount of time anyway. How's Forrest usually open these? Just like this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Jahan Duravala. So the sub there, Mania. There's Max Verstappen. And Oracle Red Bull Racing, numbered 34 out of 50 on the gold. Nice one there. Verstappen auto 1 of 1. That'd be cool. Max Verstappen. I was going to say, yeah, there's no autos in this, I thought, yeah. Yeah, only relics. The relics are like 1 every 2 boxes or something, too. Like Forrest said that. George Russell. Kevin Magnussen. That's pretty cool, yeah. Max Verstappen relic's pretty awesome. There's Charles Leclerc. And nice, Gunther Steiner, Haas on the relic. There we go.
That's sick.
That's pretty cool. Principal relic. Max Verstappen. Tony Stewart was cool.
And he was big time, dude.
He was. Killed somebody accidentally. Like vehicular manslaughter. Yeah, Yuki Tsunoda. Like I think it was completely accidentally, or it was a DUI. Maybe I don't remember. What happened with that? Kyle would know. Kyle, what happened with Kyle Stewart or with Tony Stewart? Yeah, was it a was he like DUI or was it just accidental? Nicholas Latifi. True. Sean did almost kill me earlier. That's a nightly thing right there. Sergio Perez, driver of the day. Oh, gotcha. They're I gotcha. On a dirt track.
That's right, I do remember that.
He was just standing in the middle of the track. Tony didn't see him. Gotcha.
That's gonna be tough to remember.
Yeah, I know. Throwing boxes. Always throwing boxes. Verstappen. We've got green, Max Verstappen. Nice one there to 199. And last box, or last pack. What'd you say? Baby. Lewis Hamilton, Grand Prix winner. And base. That'll do it for your break there. Jeff, congrats on all the hits, buddy. We'll get them right out to you, man.
Do we still have